to my video weblog. These videos are a behind-the-scenes look at what really goes on inside my current residential remodeling and new construction projects. This is part 4 of the new workshop construction series. In this program, we will take a close look at the back patio roof construction as well as some finished detailing issues with regard to siding and trim. After getting the main part of the roof sheeted and dried in, we turned our efforts to the back patio roof structure. As we had done with the fascia and soffit materials, the entire patio roof assembly had been pre-painted on site. The roof consists of 4x6 rafters with an exposed layer of painted T&G pine. This pine is covered with a layer of OSB that will stiffen the roof, keep roofing nails from poking through the pine below, and hide electrical conduit for a ceiling fan. My client had expressed the desire that the roof connection to the main building not have a ledger detail with exposed hangers. A solution to this situation I have used in the past is to insert the 4x6 joists into the wall and attach to an interior ledger. Each joist was secured with 3 6-inch structural screws. A metal strap attached to the top of each rafter and nailed through both layers of decking wraps over and down the interior ledger, securely tying the roof to the building. The result is a very tidy roof attachment at the wall. This back patio roof is a nice feature that breaks up the height of the building on the north side. Our push with regard to siding is to get the high work done first so we can return the rented lift. This requires a flashed and weatherproof belly band detail that is set away from the wall surface and will accept the lower wall siding to be installed later. Other siding issues that are a carpentry challenge are round top windows and the roof to wall areas of both the shed and gable dormers. I'm not a fan of this type of engineered wood siding, but it is what we must use to match the existing house. We made a template of the round windows. After installing the round top windows, this template helped produce accurate and tight siding cuts at the radiused areas. The window detail requires that we carefully caulk the seam. We also caulk any nail heads that break the paint layer. After a few days curing time, we touch up as needed. This type of siding material requires that any cuts exposed to weather be well painted before installation. Siding both the gable and shed dormer roof to wall transitions is always a challenge. Any experienced journeyman carpenter knows the special problems involved in dormer roof to wall transitions. A clean and efficient solution for this situation was to make a pattern and pre-cut the siding. Since I had done the original drawings myself in CAD, I was able to go back and find the data points for this obtuse triangle. These data points allowed me to accurately make a pattern and pre-cut the siding to fit. The extra time in template calculation and layout is well worth the clean results. This is a fairly common architectural detail that requires a certain level of commitment to the craft in order to execute well. One of the reasons I do these videos is to show people the behind-the-scenes effort that goes into the carpentry and construction trade. At this point, we have a few days cleaning up the trim details and leftover high work. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video weblog. Check back to peterqbrown.com. In our next program, we will be taking an inside look at the pre-painting process for the rest of our siding, the preparation for the upcoming brickwork, and the return of the all-seasons roofing crew for the installation of Grand Sequoia comp shingles.